Rare diseases affect less than 1 in 2,000 people. Because there are so few of us, finding new treatments can be slow. Knowing how they affect every part of our lives is key to understanding these conditions, so it's important to gather as much information as possible. This is where the Rare and Undiagnosed Diseases study comes in. Rudy is looking for people who live with these rare diseases. Whether you suffer from a rare disease or are a blood relative of someone living with a rare disease, Rudy would very much like to hear from you. Rudy would like permission to access your medical history, including past treatments, x-rays and any stored tissue samples, permission to access the information you've submitted to any other medical study, and permission to link your data with that of any family members who are also taking part in the study. You can also agree to be contacted about other studies into your rare disease. If you decide to take part, you'll be given access to your own password-protected area of the Rudy website called Your Profile. Here we'll ask you to tell us how you feel by filling out questionnaires and keeping an online diary of your rare disease. You can record which medicines you're taking and also those you're no longer taking. You can let us know how long it took to get your diagnosis, as well as make a record of any bones you may have broken to form a medical timeline. Quick, easy and simple. You can choose how much or little you want to take part in the study at any time by changing your preferences in your account settings. Whether you decide to be very active or only join in when you have time, it all helps. As soon as any research is published using your information, a brief summary of the paper will be put on your profile page. If you require more information, you can download a detailed patient information sheet available through the website. Taking part in the Rare and Undiagnosed Diseases study will require your consent. If you understand the aim of Rudy, have read the information sheet and have no further questions, then you may do this online. If you're still unsure, a member of our research team can call you at any time of your choosing and answer any questions you may have. At some hospitals, you may be able to give your consent face-to-face with a member of your rare disease team. Where this service is not available, you can give consent online, over the phone or in writing. If you're under the age of 16, you'll have to have a parent or guardian consent on your behalf. We take privacy very seriously. Any family members you're linked with through the study will not be able to see any information you've submitted, nor will you be able to see theirs. Your data will be stored anonymously, labelled only with your reference number. Your name will be held separately. Only authorised members of Rudy staff will have access to your information. You can change your mind about taking part at any time. Withdrawing your consent from the study will not affect any treatment you're currently receiving or any treatment you may require in the future. As I've said, progress can be slow and there's no guarantee that this research will help you. But it's our hope that the information gathered today will be used to develop new treatments to help others in the future. You do not have to take part in Rudy, but we very much hope you will.